Namaste children. This video is for class 9, subject computer, chapter 6. Children, in this video, let me show you how to download and how to install OpenOffice. My dear children, in order to work with OpenOffice, you have to download and you have to install the openoffice.org in your system, isn't it? So for that, what you have to do is go to Google and just type openoffice.org, and now you can see this Apache OpenOffice official site, the free and open. Click on to this, children. Now it is showing I want to download Apache OpenOffice most recent release. So it is showing the version 4.1.7. Click on to this. Now click on to this button, download full installation. Now it is showing your download will start shortly. And now it is showing save as dialog box. So save this executable file in the desired location. Click on to the save button. And here you can see it is downloading this executable file, 1 minute left. So until it is downloading, you just please wait, children. Children, as I said earlier, you have to save this in the desired location. Now, what you have to do is you have to install this OpenOffice. Shall we go for this installation process? Double click this. It is buffering. Do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? I'm just giving yes. Now it is showing this welcome window. Welcome to OpenOffice 4.1.7 setup. So now click this next. It is showing the destination folder. Now click on to the install. The installation process is going on. Now it is showing preparing to install. Until it is installing, patiently you have to wait, children. It is showing please wait. Now click on next. It is asking username. Just I'm giving Vidya. Organization, just I'm giving DAV. Only for me, just I'm selecting only for me. Means it is asking install this application for anyone who uses computer, all users, or only for me. I'm just selecting only for me. Click on to the next. Please select a setup type. So either you can select this or you can select custom. So I'm clicking on to the next and click on to this install. So again your installation process is going on. Please wait. It is showing this may take several minutes. Now it is showing validating install. Why it is taking much time, children? Because this is OpenOffice. It has many components, isn't it? Presentation, writer. Children, you can install OpenOffice in any suitable computer. And moreover, it is user friendly also. Actually, you can install any version. This is the latest version. Since it is having many components like calc, impress, right, it is taking much time, you see. Without disturbing anything, you have to wait patiently. And finally, it is showing finish. So what it is showing, the installation wizard has successfully installed OpenOffice 4.1.7. Click finish to exit the wizard. So what we have to do, click on to this finish. Now our task is over. Children, so install OpenOffice and keep it ready. That's all for today's class. Thank you, children. Keep smiling.